Hey everybody, it's Campbell from Gijoe Customs and Collections, and I've got another repair for you guys, and it's the Fang II. I love this helicopter, but you can sort of see what's going on here. As soon as I do this, yeah, it's just too loose. Way too loosey-goosey. Like, you put the blades down there, it's on a spiral. Yeah, it's going to be dive bombing. So we need to look at repairing this. So it does basically a vertical takeoff, should be, and then once it's up in the air, it goes into this mode. So let's see what we can do to fix this up. Right, I think the first thing I want to do is remove these missiles. And it's pretty dusty, so I should give it a quick clean too while I'm at it. And I'll probably will do the quick clean off camera. It's a lot faster. There's also like a few stickers that are just like out of place, like that, starting to pop up. And I don't actually know if these blades, like, you know how it's facing upwards, I don't know if it should be like that. And look, you can see that motor part is uplifting too, so I need to see if I can repair that as well. I mean, maybe the other way around. I'm going to go into freddiejoes.com to confirm, and we'll go from there. Okay, team, so yeah, I checked with freddiejoes.com, and yeah, it is confirmed that these are actually up. So let's go ahead and see if we can try and pull this apart. So there's a couple of tabs right here. You basically just push them in, and I've already done it with this one. So you push in here, you get your screwdriver. It's scary as, literally, as I always say. I hope this works because I'm shooting bricks. And then I've got the same one over here. I've got to be careful because I'm actually bending on that, so I should not even touch that, to be honest. Oh, this has come off as a clip. Actually, probably better if it does come off anyway. Right, so I've grabbed myself another screwdriver. And what I'll do, that one's like that. And like this. Keep that like that. There we go. So that's not loose. Sorry guys. So I think I kind of want to uplift this. This sort of thing always scares the crap out of me. So I'm pressing into it. Oh yeah, so I've got to release that part. Yeah, there we go. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so I've done that. Okay, get the screwdriver in there. There we go. a little bit more. Well, that's insane. That's scary. Right, now another screwdriver, and that's it. We've now loosened that off. Okay, so you can see that's all apart now, and it sits on like this. So my best bet really is possibly maybe add some insulation tape around those edges. Tie this up a bit too. Yeah, I reckon add a bit of insulation tape on those fixed points there. And there should do the trick. So what I'll do is I'll mask out. Doesn't need too much. I reckon just needs a couple of rolls around. That's a simple, quick repair, or more like improvement. That's probably what it needs. Before I go too far ahead, let's see if that fits in. It's already adding resistance. Alright, let's put it all back together. Let's clip it into place. Right, it does not move at all. So I've obviously done too much insulation tape. So let's take it apart again. So you don't need to see me pull this apart. So I'll pull this apart off screen, and we'll take some of the insulation tape off now. Right, just to show you, I've taken about that much off, and then I'll leave it alone. Right, so I decided to take the edges off, because I don't think it needs it, and I've loosened it off a bit. So that should sit into place. Hopefully a lot better. Yes. That is heaps better. Look at that. Mint. Right, let's put that rear stabilizer back on. That is, I'm just happy with that. That is just out the gate. It is staying there. It is not loosey-goosey anymore. Hey, cool. Okay, let's start removing some stickers here. And I'm going with the lighter fluid. And it does a really good job with removing the old stickers off here. Easy does it. Okay. Okay, that's removed. I'll just take there of this at the bottom too, so I'm not entirely happy how it looks. Now it's time for me to put these two stickers back on, so I'll go with this one. And I'll be using the glue stick. So just get your glue stick and get your bit of glue, sticker. Voila. Right, leave that alone to dry. Was a set. I was going to take this off, but I might just actually sort of looking at cleaning it. Right, so put a bit of lighter fluid on this. Right, that's not too bad. It's not exactly perfect, but yeah, I'm happy with that. And there you go, folks. The Cobra Fang is now finished. And that was really cool. So the rotor systems there work really well. You can see I'm just basically knocking around and it is not moving around. It is not tight. It is not loosey-goosey. It is staying where it should. So I'm wrapped with that. Now my Cobra Fang was released in looking here, in 1989, and I believe it was 1988, and then it was discontinued at 1989, or maybe it was the other way around. Maybe it's 1989 to 1990. Nevertheless, it's such a cool vehicle. Never came with a pilot, and on the box art it showed the heat viper piloting this. But I mean, it was Heat Viper and the Fang II both came out the same year, and that's really cool. But I reckon this works better. So you have yourself the Heli Viper. Now those colours are absolutely spot on. It's like he was made for this. This is a spare Heli Viper 2 I've got. And check that out. Yeah, unfortunately there's no back peg or seatbelt on this. It would be too hard for me to make that, actually. It wouldn't be too hard at all. But look at those colours. Absolutely amazing. Like, it's made for it. Yeah, super wrap, guys. Hey, I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. That really means so much. And please hit that like, share, subscribe button. You know, there's the like button there. There's the notification bell. Don't forget that. Cheers. I'm going to bring up the Fang II right now. And look at that. I am literally happy as. Like, look at that. That is not loosey-goosey anymore. Like a quick, simple fix with just insulation tape around that peg. Well, you saw it anyway. And Heli Viper looks absolutely amazing on this. I made a mistake early on. So, yeah, this is released at 1989 and was discontinued at 1990. So, yeah, beautiful little toy. Armed to the teeth too. Like, literally. Looking at what, 2, 4, 6 missiles plus that gun. So the original Fang or Fang Mark 1 only had about, I believe, 4 missiles, 1 gun in the middle, in the front, and a bomb. So go figures. But I have noticed that when I was repairing this and I took the missiles off this helicopter, well, it is basically a helicopter. It was basically naked, where if you remove the missiles off the Fang 1, it's still good as gold. But if I had to take a guess between Fang 1 and this, the Fang Mark 2, I'm going to give it the Fang Mark 2, because literally it's got that vertical takeoff and then flying through. Anyway, that's enough of me ramming on, so it's time for me to say, see you later, everybody. And it's Yo Joe, or in this case, it's Cobra. See ya.